Listen up, because this moment, it's not just some random news flash, it's the birth of a brand new tech superpower. I want you to picture this. Apple, the most valuable company on the planet, taking a knockout punch from a place they never saw coming. Picture the end of the iPad, the end of the Samsung tablet, the end of every tablet we know, all because of one device. Elon Musk just pulled the rug right out. The Tesla Starlink Pi Tablet for 2025 suddenly appears. The alleged specs? Stuff we only dreamt about. Starlink satellite internet working anywhere on the planet, without cell towers or Wi-Fi ever. Self-charging solar power. A battery that lasts forever. And the craziest part? The price tag, a measly $109. I mean, seriously, can this even be real? Can a device that costs less than a pair of high-end earbuds pack technology that literally skips an entire generation? If this announcement is a total lie, then what's making millions of websites and channels push it like it's the end of Apple? And what is the terrifying truth Tesla is actually hiding behind these rumors? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Let's just be honest, we all wanted this rumor to be true. Why? Because Tesla knew exactly what buttons to push. They cooked up the perfect rumor that exploits three key things in the market and in human nature. The price madness. $109? That's not just a price, that's an insult to Apple, who sell their fancy pencil for more than $129. The idea here is to smash the concept of inflated profit margins for the big corporations and make you believe Tesla has the massive production power, thanks to their massive gigafactories, to actually pull this off. The freedom and connectivity obsession. The idea of Starlink's internet everywhere is the ultimate marketing hook. Killing your phone bill, getting off the towers, this isn't just a tech feature. It's a promise of absolute freedom, and millions of people in remote areas are totally buying into that dream. The conspiracy theory against the big guys. The story practically sells itself. Brave boy Musk is taking down the greedy legacy corporations. That narrative fires up the crowd and absolutely skyrockets the views. But here comes the mic drop moment. The confirmed truth is there has been no single official announcement from Tesla or Elon Musk about this tablet. All those leaks you see everywhere, they're just concept designs or imaginary art created by graphic designers, and the rumors were totally fed by YouTubers just chasing clicks and views. The device is not currently on Tesla's official roadmap, period. So, if the tablet isn't the real deal, where is Elon Musk actually putting his massive chips in 2025? Tesla's real gamble today isn't some tablet, it's on the infrastructure of the future. Pillar 1, the cheap car revolution, Model 2. This is the most important product for 2025, launching the low-cost electric vehicle what the media is calling the Model 2. This is the real challenge. Tesla wants to sell cars to everyone, and that needs a revolution in manufacturing itself, not just designing a tablet. Pillar 2, robot domination, Optimus. Tesla's most ambitious project is the Optimus humanoid robot. Tesla is betting everything on AI to develop a human-like robot that can work in factories and in homes. This is what actually threatens jobs and the labor market, not an iPad. Pillar 3, Starlink Direct to sell. Yes, the satellite-to-device tech is real, but it's initially aimed at phones that already exist, like Samsung and iPhone, through partnerships with global carriers. The goal is to provide an add-on service, not a new gadget. It's a SpaceX service, not a Tesla product, and trust me, it will definitely be paid for. So basically, every exciting feature you heard about the Pi Tablet, the solar charging, the massive battery, the global connection, they're all real technologies, but they're just scattered across Musk's other projects, cars, Starlink, energy.
They were just lumped together in one fake product to lure in the viewers. In the end, the crazy story of the Tesla Super Tablet isn't really about Tesla at all. It's about how the internet works today. It's proof that a juicy, over-the-top rumor spreads 1,000 times faster than the boring, officially announced truth. Could Tesla make a tablet down the road? Sure, maybe. But it would be a calculated, strategic move and probably expensive, not the cheap, fantastical pipe dream the rumors described. So I gotta ask you, do you still think Elon Musk is going to surprise us at the last second and drop this $109 tablet? Should Apple and Samsung actually be more scared of the new Tesla car than they are of this imaginary tablet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and always remember to know the difference between what the algorithms are pushing and what the huge corporations are officially announcing. Thanks for watching.